I'm Krista McNamara with ABRN and Motor Age magazines, and I'm here with a look ahead, our monthly preview of what you will learn in our upcoming issues to help grow your skills and business. Brought to you by Toyota Wholesale Parts. September is packed with great lessons for both collision repair and service shops. First off, we have an article that shares some tips and tricks to ensure your business makes the best first and lasting impression. Don't become shop blind to poor interior and exterior features and design flaws that could lead customers to walk away with their business. Next, learn from mobile technician John Anello about how a seemingly simple blind spot camera calibration took a turn for the worse. When a shop went rogue and created its own calibration target out of cardboard, it unleashed a domino effect of problems that only the most seasoned tech could correct. Finally, we take a look at the most vulnerable and common sensor damage areas. Examine these key impact positions and learn methods you can adopt in your shop to ensure you are fully compensated for all vehicle scans. Our Motor Age readers will definitely want to check out this month's edition of The Trainer, in which Director of Training Pete Meyer explains the 3 things you must master in order to become an effective electrical diagnostician. Next, we have an article on ADAS repairs that is unlike any you have seen yet. Learn how to accurately diagnose and repair these complex systems using OEM scan tools to continue driving revenue in a challenging market. Lastly, make sure you check out In the End, It's All Voltage, a technical article from which every technician can learn a lesson. Some of the most complicated issues that enter shop bays can be summed up as faults caused by inadequate voltage supply. Dive into some of these off-the-wall issues and how they were tackled. That's just the start of what you'll find in the September issues of ABRN and Motor Age. Watch your mailboxes and inboxes for all of these stories and more great best practices. I'm Krista McNamara, and thanks again for watching A Look Ahead, brought to you by Toyota Wholesale Parts.